Welcome to Conversations with My Real Friends. I'm Jennifer. I'm here with my friend Ed. Ed is a trust and estate attorney here in Westlake Village with me.
Right.
And so we're going to be talking today about trusts, right? Why should someone put their real estate in a trust?
Real estate is special in California. California has very interesting and significant fees with respect to real estate, and so that generally means it's a serious asset that you
Right.
need to make sure is accounted for. And so trusts offer an opportunity to make sure that your wishes are carried out appropriately.
Got it.
And so with respect to real estate, they go hand in hand with estate planning, which generally means, in the state of California, putting that into a revocable living trust.
Right. When you're talking about the dollar amounts that we're talking about and the California property rules relative to transfers, without a trust, you're likely in probate court or having costs and expenses and disputes if
Exactly.
a trust isn't in place.
Yes. In addition to just avoiding probate, because real estate is so significant, there are other ancillary issues that you need to determine, like who's going to inherit the property.
Right.
I love it when my clients only have one child, because there's no other crybabies, right?
We don't have to worry about it.
But what happens when there's two children? What happens when there's three children? So for example, your son lives next to you, so he might be more suited to inherit that property
Right.
completely. Your daughter lives in Texas. Do you have other assets that your daughter could receive that are proportionate? Who should you talk to? Do you need a team? You need to talk to an accountant, a financial professional. It takes a village
Right.
to determine and balance your assets, because real estate in California is so significant.
Well, and the taxes can have an impact, right? One person inheriting an asset might have a totally different tax impact than a different person inheriting that same asset,
Exactly.
right?
I like the sophistication that it brings, because trusts generally are connected to professional advisors.
Right.
So with respect to real estate, we have things like Proposition 19 and the reassessment of taxes.
Yes.
Is this your personal residence or is it another residence? And
Right.
what will happen to the taxes when Junior inherits?
Right.
Will that go into the ROI for the investment?
Yep.
It takes a team to determine, to inherit, and to manage.
Right. So if someone has questions, wants to find out more, needs some planning advice, how can they reach you?
We are Oak Crest Law Group, located in Westlake Village, California. Find us online at oakcrestlaw.com or phone at 818-597-8800.
Great. Thank you for joining me, Ed.
Thanks, Jennifer.
And thank you for joining us for this episode of Conversations with My Real Friends. See you soon.